In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a DAW's MIDI to Harmony Space. This is accomplished using this max patch, DAWs to Harmony Space. To begin with, you want to turn MIDI to Harmony Space on by clicking this toggle. So basically, to make this patch work, you want to go into your DAW and you want to send your MIDI out to max. At the moment, I have it set up to listen to channels 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So you want to send your MIDI out on these channels. Each of these channels then goes into a specific channel in Harmony Space or a specific note. For example, note 9 goes to channel 1, 10, 2, and so forth. With the exception of channel 15, this is used for interacting with created chords. When a MIDI note is sent to channel 15, it will skip to the next created chord. So when you get to your DAW, you might want to create 6 different MIDI tracks. You then want to make sure your MIDI 2 is going to max for each of these tracks. And then you probably want to send this to a different channel. So you want to send it to each of these node ons. So send the first track to the node on 9, channel 9, the next one to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So when this is set up, you can instantly start playing MIDI notes and they'll begin triggering channels in Harmony Space. So I'll just start with one track at the moment, going to channel 9. You can see here I actually added a button here that visualizes the MIDI in. In Harmony Space, make sure you go to Hardware and choose Start OSC In before you begin, as the MIDI coming from your DAW is actually translated into OSC before it gets to Harmony Space. I'll then begin playing a pattern. I actually just dragged some MIDI grooves in here on each track. I'll play the first one. And you'll see that is being played on the C here. Now I'll play MIDI clips on each track just so you can hear what that sounds like. It is also possible to write in your own MIDI notes if you want. So if you create a new MIDI clip there in the session view and just draw in a rhythm. It doesn't actually matter which MIDI note you play, as every note will trigger a channel in Harmony Space. Therefore, it's more important to focus on the rhythm than which pitch you're using. I'll show you what this sounds like now. And you can do the same on every track if you want. For example, here's the same clip on every track. Although this video focused on how to do this with Ableton, this can be achieved with any DAW in a similar manner.